heavy snowstorm has struck Ontario, Canada today, with lake-effect snow bringing significant accumulation to areas such as Kawartha Lakes northeast of Toronto.
Hanover, 10:20 a.m. Half an hour ago it was sunny and now it's just dropping it.
Environment Canada has issued a snow squall warning covering a wide region, stretching from Lake Huron in the west to Belleville in the east and reaching as far north as Bracebridge. The warning comes as the province braces for heavy snowfall on Thursday and Friday. Regions including Barrie, Collingwood, Midland, Northern York Region, Newmarket and Northern Durham Region are expected to see lighter snowfall with accumulations of 5 to 10 centimeters in southwestern Ontario. Some areas east of Lake Huron and Georgian Bay are forecast to receive up to 60 centimeters of snow, while other locations could see between 15 and 40 centimeters. Snowfall began late Thursday morning and is expected to taper off by Friday. The agency emphasized that snow squalls can lead to sudden and severe changes in weather conditions, with clear skies rapidly giving way to heavy snowfall and near zero visibility. Snow squalls create highly variable weather conditions, with rapid transitions from clear skies to heavy snow over short distances. Hazardous travel, reduced visibility, and potential road closures are anticipated, Environment Canada warned.
And the wind picks up. Roads are getting bad.
Snow squall warnings in southern Ontario will remain in effect through Friday. Some regions could accumulate up to 60 centimeters of snow by Saturday evening, with areas along Lake Huron such as Kincardine, Hanover, Saugeen Shores, southern Bruce County, Dundalk and southern Grey County. warnings follow a recent blast of winter weather that delivered up to 60 centimeters of snow in parts of Ontario earlier this week. Whiteout conditions on highways caused multiple collisions, though no injuries or fatalities were reported.